Why is thinking about ethics important when developing generative AI? Can AI be powerful? Gen AI can shape minds, automate jobs, and generate content. That power demands ethical responsibility, bias, and fairness. As mentioned, LLM learned from data that often contains societal biases. Without careful consideration and mitigation efforts, AI system can perpetuate and even amplify these biases, leading to discrimination against certain groups in areas like hiring, loan application, or even everyday interaction. Ensuring fairness and equity is core ethical responsibility. Fairness must be built in priority. Misinformation and misuse. Gen AI makes it easier than ever to create convincing fake news articles, generate propaganda, automate the creation of spam or phishing email, or create deep fakes for social engineering or harassment. Developers need to consider how their tools could be misused and build in safeguards where possible. Example, content filtering, watermarking, data privacy, training, and fine tuning often involves large datasets which may contain personal and or sensitive information. There is the ethical obligation to handle this data responsibly. Protect users' privacy during inference when users interact with the model and prevent the model from leaking sensitive training data. Transparency and accountability. LLM are often described as black boxes because it can be difficult to understand precisely why they generate a specific output. While full transparency is challenging, striving for interpretable system and establishing clear lines of accountability for the AI's action are important ethical goals. Who is responsible if an AI provides harmful medical advice or defamatory content? Societal impact. The widespread adoption of Gen AI could have profound effects on employment, education, creativity, and social interaction. Developers and organizations have a responsibility to consider these broader societal implications. Intellectual property. Question arise about the ownership of AI generated content and whether models trained on the copyrighted material infringe an existing rights. You're not just a developer, you save the ethics of the tools you build. It includes being aware of these potential ethical pitfalls, actively participating in discussion about responsible AI development, implementing techniques to detect and mitigate bias, ensuring data privacy, designing system with safety in mind, and advocating the ethical practices within your team and organization. Ultimately, addressing these ethical concerns is fundamental, not just for doing the right thing, but also for building trust with users and public. So, powerful AI requires responsible creators. Be thoughtful, be proactive, build AI that helps the world. Thanks for watching. Likes, comment, subscribe. Follow us on at the Red Data AI Core.